Meaning of fly tipping.
Fly tipping.
Fly tipping.
Fly tipping.
Fly tipping. Fly tipping refers to the illegal act of dumping waste materials in an unauthorized location, such as a roadside, open field, or on private property without permission. This often includes construction waste, furniture, or household items. The result of fly tipping is the accumulation of litter and waste materials in public spaces in natural areas, which can lead to environmental damage, contamination of soil and water sources, and harm to wildlife. Fly tipping is also a significant cost to local authorities, who must bear the financial burden of cleaning up the mess left behind.